Hariram, there is some network error. Just leave and rejoin. Can you hear me, Hariram? First, I'll be going to share a few chat links with you in a chat box wherein you'll get to know that from which link you can have access of which particular area, right? After that, I'll be going to introduce with your mentor. She'll be going to provide a brief introduction about herself to you, and then I'll give you the tour of the dashboard. Before that, I'll show you the one PPT in which you'll get the information about your course. All right. So hope you're clear with the flow of the session. Are you excited for this demo? Show me a thumbs up on the screen. I cannot see Mahant's face. I can see only curtains, wall. Yes, now I can see him. A little bit more down. Tilt your laptop or device. Yes, a little bit more. Great. All right, a few more new kids are joining us. Good evening, Sunita. How are you? Good evening, friends. Good to see you. All right, so before moving ahead, I would like to tell you one more thing that in case you find an internet glitch and you're not able to join us back via Zoom, so we will be going to live on our Facebook, so you can join us on our Facebook also. Okay, so you can watch this demo on Facebook. Good evening, Pallavi. Turn on your camera, kids. We want to see your bright faces, so turn on your cameras. All right. So these are the few links which I have pasted in the chat box. First link is of syllabus link. You can avail your syllabus by clicking on this particular link. In case you have not enrolled for this batch, you want to enroll, you can just click on this link and you can complete your payment process and you will be going to join us this batch. So in case you want to give us feedback, you can fill this form and we'll get your feedback. If you want to know about batch, so you can click on this particular link and you will get all the batch details on our website. In case you have any further queries, you can email us on this particular email, that is support@olympiadscess.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp messages on these two numbers. All right. So as I told you already, in case you find an internet glitch and you're not able to join us back via Zoom, so you can watch us live on Facebook also. Okay, Anand spell check. All right, Anand. All right, so I'll not take much time. I'll take you to directly to your mentor. She's a wonderful mentor. Her class remains engaging and a wonderful interactive class because she loves to interact with kids. So all the way to you, Komal ma'am. I want you to introduce yourself to your kids.
Hello, everyone. Good evening to all of you. I hope all of you are doing good. Still, I'm not able to see all of your faces. Some of you are still hiding behind this black background. Anand, I cannot see your face. Sharanya, Mahant, and okay, now Mahant, I can see you. Okay, great. So great to see you all. Sunita, also, I can't see your face. Pallavi, can you please, all of you, turn on your camera so that I can see your beautiful faces? Can you all show me your thumbs up with a smile on your face? All right. So I hope all of you are doing good. Okay, let me first introduce myself. I am Komal Rachna and I'm a BTech IT graduate. I have done my engineering from West Bengal University of Technology. I have also joined TCS as system engineer. And then I joined Byju's as an academic specialist in maths, where I was teaching maths to the students like you. And maths, I'm very passionate about maths. It is my favorite subject. So I like teaching, I like interacting with students like you. It makes me very happy, right? So that is about my background, right? Now, if we talk about the Olympiad exams, Olympiad exams is something different from your school curriculum, right? So in your school curriculum, you are just learning the basic concepts of every chapter. You are solving questions upon them. But what happens in the Olympiad exams? In this exams, actually it is a competitive exam, right? So you will get to learn a deeper understanding of all the concepts, right? You will enhance your analytical skill, your logical thinking skill if you prepare for Olympiads. And that will help you in understanding the concept in a very better way. You can understand the deeper concept. You will be able to solve the questions which are difficult, right? You will solve the difficult level questions also. So that is the main aim of these sessions, Olympiad session, which will enhance your skill, which will uncover your talent. So that is very important for you all nowadays, because in nowadays, the competitions are the top, right? So we have to focus on the practical applications of the concepts also. So we will learn all these things in our sessions, and our sessions are going to be filled with fun, activity, learning. We will solve some puzzles. We will do some learning activities also. So that will definitely makes you very happy. That will makes you very enthusiastic, I can assure you. So that is all about me, and we will get back to you after Pooja ma'am will give you the tour of the dashboard. So over to you, Pooja ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Komal ma'am. So how was it? Did you like it? So now you got to know about your mentor, that your sessions will be going to fun-filled and full of learning, okay? So let me take you quickly to the PPT and then we'll move on dashboard and then I'll hand over to your mentor, okay? I know you are excited for your demo. Hope my screen is visible to everybody. All right. So as you know, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. It is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation. We do provide one of its kind yearly program, that is School Plus program, which included 8 courses: mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, comprehension, spoken and written, Vedic maths and coding. We do provide one online classes that includes both CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE and IB classes for grades 2 to 12. We do provide one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad, SESMO, SEMO, HKIMO, GIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core, Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRM. These all are the rank holders. They are kids like you only. So if you also prepare well, your picture will also come like them. You will also become an achiever. Okay. So for this, what do you have to do? You have to just spare every day extra 2 hours from your regular studies, because you know Olympiad examinations are a little tougher than the regular examinations. So make sure that you spare every day 2 hours extra from your regular studies for the practice. So what do we provide? We do provide group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom platform by a seasoned tutor. Session will be 3 days per week. Days will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and timings will be 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. 5 minutes of break. The session includes a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt session, and discussion on previous year papers. Students will get reading material, access to reading material, and practice questions, which will be available at the dashboard of Olympiad Success. Soon, I'll be going to give a tour for the same. Students will get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice topic-wise mock test for both maths and reasoning, whereas logical reasoning constitute 10 to 15% of the questions. These all are the relevant links. No need to worry. I have already been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted in the chat box. So first link is of syllabus link. You can avail your syllabus by clicking on this particular link. The fees for this course is 12,044 rupees. It is 54 session course. Payment can be made by clicking on this particular link. So if you have not enrolled yet, so quickly click on this link and complete your payment process. Fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics plus logical reasoning. What all you need for these classes? Just a laptop or desktop with good internet connection, plus good camera for the better picture clarity and good headphones for the better audio clarity, that you should not miss any delivery of session of your mentor. As I told you already, Olympiad examinations are a little tougher than the regular examinations. So you have to just spare every 2 hours extra from your regular study for the preparation of Olympiad examinations. So regular classes are going to start from when? Wednesday, next Wednesday, that is 22nd of May. So hope you all have seen the class days and timings and everything carefully, because soon I'm going to ask a question from this PPT only, okay? So now I'll give the tour of the dashboard. Hope my screen is visible to everybody once again. So what you have to do is, kids, you have to just enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com and you'll get this page on your screen. After this, you have to just enter your user details. These details you'll get from us the moment you'll enroll for this course. So make sure when you get your user details, enter it correctly, otherwise you'll not be able to log in. So after logging in, you'll get to 5 details on your screen. You have to read each and every detail carefully. In case you find any error, you can just rectify it over here and you can click on update button. After this, you have to just click on live classes for the access of your material. After clicking on live classes, you have to select your subject for which specific subject you want to see your material. So we are going to click mathematics as we are in mathematics demo today. So you have to select your topic also, then only you'll be going to access your material. So here is a schedule. Schedule will give you the clarity in which session you're going to cover with specific topic. Okay, so you can see each and every session is having a different set of topics. So your one chapter is bifurcated in different sessions that you can understand each and every concept deeply. All right. So each and every PDF is downloadable. For that, you have to just click it over here on the top. Click here to download the PDF, and you can download it easily. Okay. So you can see at the end of the test syllabus, there are tests also for your practice, which your mentor will be going to take. So here is the holiday calendar. This will give you the clarity that you should not take any unnecessary leaves, because already we do have festival holidays. All right, that you should not miss any other class. This is the reading material. For this, you have to just click it over here and you can have access of your reading material. There's a lot of stuff for your practice. Each and every topic is having a material that you can get a proper deep knowledge of each concept. These all topics are for your better understanding. We do have different sets. This is set 3, which I'm opening. So here are the question papers and answer keys for your practice. You have to just click on question paper and you can see your paper. Make sure that you solve your paper first and then check your answer keys. Don't keep your answer keys open parallelly. Okay. Otherwise, that will not be a fair practice. So here is the answer key. You can check your answers. Here's the question paper. Here's the answer key for paper 2. So these all are sheets. Due to some network glitch, I think that's not opening. So here's a set 3. Right. Here are the answer keys for set. Okay, so these all are the question papers for your practice. Now moving on more practice. So that is in worksheet, which is right after this dashboard icon. You have to just click on worksheet. Again, you have to select your subject, for which specific subject you want to see your worksheets. And you're good to go. For that, you have to just click on take exam. Clicking on take exam, you'll get instructions on your screen. Make sure that you read each and every instruction carefully, that you should not commit any mistake while attempting your worksheet. After reading, you have to click on start worksheet. After clicking on start worksheet, you will get your worksheet on your screen, wherein you can see there are so many questions, 25 questions in one worksheet. So again, there are so many worksheets and a lot of practice for you. So once you're done with question 1, you have to move on question 2. For that, you have to click on the next button. So in this way, you'll keep on moving on next question. So once you're done with all 25 questions, you have to submit your worksheet. For that, you have to click on finish button. But before that, make sure that you check all your answers, that whether you have done correctly or you find any error, you want to rectify it. So once you have seen your answers, then you can just click on review. Or yes, I've reviewed all the questions and you're good to go to submit your worksheet. So now your submission is done. This is a feedback page you want to give, you can give, otherwise you can click on later button also. So now you can see your performance also. Once you're done with the worksheet, immediately you can check the performance, that how you have performed. So again, you have to select your subject and you can see this worksheet I have attempted just now, and you have to click on view button. After clicking on view button, you can see there are 2 questions which I have attempted. One is correct, one is wrong, right? So you can see the correct answer also, which is the correct answer. So this is all about dashboard. In live classes, you'll get to know your question papers, answer keys, your reading material, your schedule and holiday calendar. In worksheet, you'll get your more practice worksheets, and in performance, you get to know how you have performed in worksheet. So this is all about dashboard. If anybody is having any doubt related to the dashboard or course details, type it in the chat box. I'll be happy to answer your queries. And kids who are sitting with the camera off, I want to see their bright faces. I don't like kids sitting with the camera off, because we don't allow students to sit with camera off in our class, because we like to see their bright faces and we want to communicate with them. Ram Seva, Devashri, Mahant, Sunita, Sanvika, turn on your cameras. Anybody is having any doubt related to the PPT, course details, or everything is clear? Okay, type it in the chat box. You all got to know about us via mail or email or WhatsApp. If you got to know via email, you have to type E in the chat box. If you got to know via WhatsApp, you have to type W in the chat box. Okay. Kanak email, Mantra WhatsApp, Ramseva WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Okay, good to hear that. So are you joining us for the first time, or you have joined us before also? Type it in the chat box. F for the first time, B for the before. Anand before, Sharanya before, Sanvika for the first time. Nice. Sanvika, I'm pretty sure you'll be going to learn so many things and you will be going to enjoy the sessions also. Ram Siva first time, Devansh for the first time. Same for you also, Devansh. Sorry, I'm pronouncing the name wrong. Sunita before. Devashri first time. Mahant first time, Hanak first time. So whosoever are joining for the first time, I'm pretty sure you'll be going to learn and you'll be going to enjoy also. Okay. So keep your cameras on and quickly type it in the chat box. What are the class days? Then I'm going to hand over to your mentor. What are the class days? Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Correct. And what are the class timings? 8 to 9:15 p.m. Very nice. Good job. So are you ready to go ahead for the demo? Shall I give it to your mentor? Are you excited? Show me thumbs up on the screen. Yes, very nice. All over to you, Komal ma'am.
Hello once again, everyone. Okay, I hope I'm audible. Am I audible to all of you? Can you please raise your hand or show me a thumbs up? Okay, I can't see thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am, you are clearly audible.
Okay, okay, great, great. Good. So still I'm seeing some of you are not turning on the camera. What happened, students? All right. So we were discussing that what is our today's topic. Okay. So I have seen some of you were typing in the chat box that we are going to learn today fraction or algebraic expressions, right? Or some of you have written BODMAS also. I can see those chats here. Okay. So, okay. So Kanak was saying fraction, Diansh was saying algebraic expressions, Anant was saying fraction, Kanak again said BODMAS, Anant said integers. Okay, okay, you all are very close, right? Mantaram fractions, Kanak DMAS, Diansh BODMAS. Okay. So today we are going to actually discuss a very simple topic, which I hope that you all must know that topic already. So can you now guess what is the topic of our today's class? So you all can type in the chat box also. Symmetry. Okay. Ram Siva is saying symmetry. Decimals, Kanak is saying, okay, okay, more simple than this. Okay, ratio. Hariram is saying ratio. Okay, good, good, good. Nice guesses all of you are doing. All these chapters are very simple, right? So that is why you all are writing these names. Number system. Okay, good. Kanak. Fractions. Okay, okay. So now I'm going to reveal. Anant is saying natural numbers. So I'll just share my screen, everyone, and I hope all of you are very ready. So can you see the screen which I have shared? Simple equation, right? Yes. Okay, good job, Ram Siva. Thank you for giving me the answer. So simple equation, very good. What is a simple equation? What does it mean actually? Do you know what does it mean? Any one of you? It's simple means it's so simple, right? And equation means what? Equation means a statement that support the equality of the two expression. Like if I give you an expression, let us say 3x plus 5. This is called an expression, which is having the variable, which is having the coefficient with some mathematical operator. And if I write 3x plus 5 is equal to 9, what is it actually? It has the equal sign in between, which shows that 3x plus 5 equals 9 is an equation. So always the statement which is supported by the equal sign, that is called equation. And on the equation, on both the sides, those are called left hand side and the right hand side. So 3x plus 5 is the left hand side and 9 is here the right hand side of the equation. Very simple definition of the simple equation, right? Okay, so this simple equation, we will have a lot of use of this simple equation actually in our day-to-day life also. So first of all, going into the detail of this simple equation, I'm going to ask you a puzzle, right? And I'm going to, I will just make sure that all of you will participate. Please make sure all of you will participate in this activity. It is going to be a very interesting activity, all of you. So I'll just show the next slide here. Okay. So now we will play a game. It's a very fun learning game. Let's play this game. You have to think of a number, right? Choose a number. Don't tell me what you are choosing, right? Double it, right? That means you have to multiply that number with 2. What you are getting the result, you have to add 6. This process you have to go into the step-by-step format. Okay. So you don't tell me the answer now, right? I will ask you. I will ask you the answer. First, do this process step-by-step, Ram Siva. Everyone do this process step-by-step. First of all, you have to think of a number, right? Double it, that means multiply that number with 2, then add 6. Now in the next step, you have to make half of that. What number you have got, you have to make half of that, right? All of you have done till now. Then you have to subtract the original number which you have thought from the result. Okay, so you have some steps. I'll just make sure that you are thinking of a number. This is the first step. Do the double of it. Second step, add 6. This is the third step, and then make half of it. This is the fourth step. After that, subtract your original number from your result. This is the fifth step. So total 5 steps you have to do in this puzzle. Okay, now you all have your answer. You all have your answer, right? You all can give me your answer in the chat box now. Okay, I got some answers. Very good. 333 is the correct answer. Very nice. Devashri, Khanak, Diyansh, Sharanya, Pallavi, all of you, good job. So everyone is getting 3. Hari Ram, very good. All of you are getting 3. That is the correct answer. Okay, so how you get 3, all of you? All of you must have thought some different numbers, right? But you are getting the same answer. Why you know? Because in this puzzle also we have made an equation actually. What we have done, we have just thought a number. Let us say that unknown number is x, right? You have thought that unknown number. What you have done then, you have made the double of the number. You have multiplied it with 2. So now it is becoming 2x. Then you have added 6 to it. So 2x plus 6. Then you have to make half of that number. So if you take half of 2x plus 6, you will get x plus 3. This is your result. Now what you need to do, you have to subtract the original number which you have thought. So from this x plus 3, if you subtract the original number x plus 3 minus x, what you will get here? That is 3, not x. That should be 3. I hope you are clear with this. So this is like a puzzle, but here we have made the simple equation to solve this puzzle, right? So we will do these type of activities again. So let us see one more. Activity here. Let's make an equation. Okay. Sarah, think of a number. Quickly, you can see here, Sarah, think of a number. So you have to think like a variable, any number. Multiply it with 4. So now what she's doing is she's multiplying with 4. Then add 5 to it. So you have to add 5 to it. You can see the steps here. Sarah, think of a number. She multiplied with 4 and then she added 5 to it. The result she is getting is 25. So let's suppose that she has taken the variable number that is m. She has multiplied with 4, added 5 to it. So 4m plus 5 and she got the result as 25. So we have made the equation right now. Clear everyone? I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can just raise your hand or you can just type in the chat box if you have any doubt. All right. Now you have to make an equation. So you can see the question is here. Dillon thinks of a number, right? You have to think of a number, multiply it by 3, subtract 5 from his answer. The result is 7. So make an equation quickly, all of you, and write your answers in the chat box. Dillon thinks of a number, first step, multiply it by 3, second step, subtract 5 from his answer, third step. The result is 7, fourth step. So in fourth step, you will get your answer, your equation. So you just have to make the equation here. So let us see, Dillon may think of a number x, multiply with 3, that is 3x, subtract 5, so 3x minus 5 from his answer, and the result is 7. 3x minus 5 is 7, is equal to 7. Very good. I can see many of you have answered correctly. Mantaram, Pallavi, Diyansh, Khanak, many of you, Devashri, all of you. Okay, everyone, good job. So all of you have answered it correctly. Very good. All right. Moving ahead. So now we have known all the things, how to make an equation, how to make the expression and how to make the equation. Very good, Hariram. Very good, all of you. So now what we need to do, we have some more questions like this. I hope all of you will definitely answer and make the equation of this. Practice questions are there. First question is, Brendan thinks of a number, add 3 and the answer is 15. Represent this statement as an equation. Very easy. So you all will do. Brendan thinks of a number, let us see x. Add 3, so x plus 3 and the answer is 15. Same answer everyone is getting, right? Second, Joanne thinks of a number, then subtracts 5 and the answer is 10. Very good, Devashri, Khanak. Very good, Pallavi, Naga, very good, all of you. So for the second one, John thinks of a number, subtract 5 and the answer is 10. Very nice, very simple. Very good, all of you. Deansh, Mantram, all of you are giving the correct answer. The third one now, coming to the third one. A farmer has a number of cows, right? We don't know the number of cows, that is unknown. And he plans to double the number next year, okay? When he will have 24. Represent this statement as an equation. Very good, Mantram, Pallavi, very good. Khanak, you can make the equation. Ram Siva, very good. So she has a number of, farmer has the number of cow, let's say x. He want to double it. That means 2x. And in the next year, it will become 24. So 2x is equal to 24. That will be the required equation. Very good, Dyans, Ram Shiva. All of you, good job. The fourth one, coming to the fourth one, everyone. Okay. Very good, Hari Ram. 2x is equal to 24. Very good. A new student enters a class and the class now has 25 students. Very good, Pallavi, Mantaram. Okay, so initially the number of students, let us say in the class was X. A new student enters. That means one student is entering into the class and the total number of students is now becoming 25, right? So this is our required equation. Very good. Very good, Ram Siva, Diansh, all of you, good job. I can see that all of you are answering correctly. Very nice. Now the last, fifth one, the temperature increases by 18 degree and the temperature is now 15 degree. Represent this statement as an equation. Very good, Khanak. Very good. So initially, let us say the temperature was X. It increases by 18 degree. That means X plus 18. And now the current temperature is 15 degree. So X plus 18 is equal to 15. That will be the correct required equation. Very nice. I can see Devashri, Hari Ram, Khanak, all of you have given the correct answers. Any doubt here? You can ask. Any doubt, anyone? Okay. So I hope making the equation is very simple, right? That is why its name is simple equation. All of you agree? I hope it's very easy and clear to all. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, so now we know that what is the simple equation, right? How to represent a simple equation. But how we can solve it? How we can solve a simple equation? So we have some methods to solve the simple equation. Let us see, first of all, this is called balancing method. The picture which you can see on the slide, what is the name of this picture? Can anyone tell me? What is the name of this picture? The balance which you can see on the both sides. You have seen in at some shops, grocery shop or in the market. This is called beam balance, right? So what is the thing, what is the measure, you know, what it is measuring actually, what it is doing, what is the need of this beam balance? So what is the need? When you are just measuring any quantity, you have to put the equal weight on both the side of the beam balance so that the balance will remain same. Okay, so this method we are going to use for solving our equation. That means whatever mathematical operation we are going to perform on one side of the equation, the same mathematical operation we have to perform on other side also. It will make the balance of the equation. So that's why it is called the balancing method, right? Let's see here how we can solve the equation. First of all, let us see the addition principle of equality. Right? You can see that if you get an equation like this example, you can see x minus 5 equal to 12, right? This is the equation you can see. So here we will use the addition principle of equality. What we do, there is a minus 5 in the expression on the left hand side. So what we do, we just add a plus 5. We just add plus 5 on both the sides. That is called the addition principle of equality. You have to add the same thing on both the side of the equation so that your balance will not get disturbed. So what we are doing here, if you add up 5, that means x minus 5 plus 5. And on the right hand side also 12 plus 5 if you do, you will be able to solve this question because minus 5 and plus 5 will get cancelled, as you can see. And on the right hand side, 12 plus 5 will become 17. So it is now x is equal to 17. It's very simple. It's called the addition principle. Whatever you have in the negative, you have to just add that number on both the sides, right? And on one side, you will eliminate that number and you will get the value of the unknown. Solving an equation means finding the value of unknown, right? If anyone asks you, what is the meaning of solving an equation? Means finding the value of unknown. So that is called solving of equation. Now we will come to the next principle. Okay, so we have some example on this. Like you can see here, p minus 19 equals 42, right? So what we need to do here, already we have a minus 19. So what we do, we just make a plus 19 on both the sides, right? You can see here. Now this minus 19 and plus 19 will get cancelled on the left hand side. You are just left with p. P equals, on the right hand side, 42 plus 19 will make it 61. Similarly, in the second example, y minus 43.5 equals 6.79. So you have to just add 43.5 on both the sides, right? So this minus 43.5 and plus 43.5 will get cancelled from here. You will get y equals 50.29. I hope it is clear and very simple to all of you. If any doubt, you can ask. And all of you, I request, please turn on the camera so that I can also see your faces. And I will also observe you are getting me or not. Right. So Devashri is giving me thumbs up. Very good. Please, everyone, turn on the camera. All right, moving ahead. Now, come to the next topic, that is subtraction principle. Right, subtraction principle. Very interesting again, but like the same addition principle. Here you can see the example x plus 5 equals 12. Here we have a plus 5. So what we need to do here, we have to just subtract a minus 5 from both the sides. We have to just do the reverse operation actually. This is called here subtraction principle of equality. So what we do, we will just put a minus 5 on both the side. You can see it is now x plus 5 minus 5 equals 12 minus 5. Again, on the left side, you have a plus 5 minus 5, which is cancelled. And you are left with x equals 12 minus 5, which is x equals 7. Right? Clear? So if you have a positive number, you just have to put a subtraction of that number. Like x plus 5 equals 12 is given. You have to just put a minus 5 on both the sides, so that in your left hand side, you will be left with only the variable. All right, so you will get the answer. I hope it's clear. Okay. Let's see an example. Let's see now the division principle of equality. Again, if you have a variable which is already multiplied with a constant, here 3y equals 18, right? You can see what is 3 here. 3 is called the coefficient. Whenever any number is multiplied with a variable, that number is called as a coefficient. So here, y is multiplied with 3. What you do now, you just divide this equation on both the side by 3. So by which number a variable is multiplied, you have to just divide that equation by that number. Okay, so this is called the division principle of equality. Now 3y equals 18. So what we are going to do here, from which number we are going to divide? Very easy. From which number we will divide here? Anyone? Write your answer in the chat box. You can see also. Okay, many of you have turned on the camera. Please turn on the camera, please, everyone. Okay, great. Good job. Everyone, I can see the answer. Mantram, Diyansh, Naga, Khanak, all of you. Very good. By 3, we have to divide here. Good job. So what we do, 3y by 3 is equal to 18 upon 3 on the right side now. Now on the left side, 3y by 3. So you can see this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So we are left with only y. Y is equal to 18 by 3, which is equal to y equals 6. Clear? So this is called the division principle. When in an equation, if a variable is multiplied with a number, you just have to divide that equation by that number on both the sides. You will get the answer. All right. So we have now some example again. Solve for t. 9t is equal to 18.9. You all can solve and tell me your answer. It's very simple. Here the variable is multiplied with 9. So by which number you should divide it? Very easy. Very good. I can see the answer. Khanak says 9. Very good. The answer is 9. Very good. So 90 upon 9 is equal to 18.9 upon 9. Very good. Ram Siva, Deansh, Hariram, all of you. So in the left hand side now we got 90 upon 9. That means this 9 and 9 get cancelled. We have just t is equal to, if you just divide 18.9 by 9, you will get 2.1. So t is equal to 2.1. Very good, Naga. The second example, minus 3.5x is equal to 9.625. Here, your coefficient is a negative number, minus 3.5. But the rule is same. The variable is multiplied with minus 3.5 here. So by which number you should divide the equation? By which number you should divide here to get the variable? You can see in the example also. Minus 3.5. Very good, Naga. Minus 3.5. So if we divide on the both side by minus 3.5, here you can see this minus 3.5 and minus 3.5 is getting cancelled from the left hand side. And on the right hand side, it is 9.625 upon minus 3.5. When you divide it, you will get minus 2.75. Okay, so this is called the division principle of equality. By which number a variable is multiplied in your equation, you have to just divide the equation by that number to get the value of unknown. Okay. Okay. Now we will see the multiplication of equality. So you have to be very focused here. Okay. Otherwise, it may happen that you will do some mistake, because in this multiplication, what we need to do here, you can see the example. 2 by 3x plus 5 equals 7. Right? Here the division is in the first term only, 2 by 3x. Right? Here you can just correct this equation first of all. This
Komal ma'am, you're not audible.
Not audible. Am I audible now, everyone? Am I audible to all of you? Can anybody please let me know in the chat box I'm audible or not? Oh, Ram Siva is saying audible. For everyone, I'm audible. Students, can you please just write in the chat box? Okay, Deansh is showing me the thumbs up. Okay, good. All right. So now you can see the multiplication principle of equality. So what you need to do here, first of all, just make a correction. This is 2x by 3, right? All right. So the equation is here 2x by 3 plus 5 equals 7, right? Now, what happens in this? You multiply both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number to isolate the variable. Isolate the variable. That means you have to just make the variable separate or apart. So what we need to do here, 2x by 3. This term which is having the variable is divided by 3, right? So you need to multiply the equation by 3. So the left-hand side is 2x by 3 plus 5. You have to just multiply this entire expression by 3. So you can see here how you have to write 3 multiplied in the bracket 2x by 3 plus 5. And in the right-hand side also, you have to do the same operation. That is 3 into 7. All right, so what happens now? 3 is multiplied with 2x by 3. So what is this? Here 3 will be multiplied with each term inside the bracket. So 3 into 2x by 3 will give you 2x. Then plus 3 into 5 will give you 15. In the right hand side, 3 into 7 will give you 21. You got a simple equation of 2x plus 15 equal 21. Now you know very well how to solve this. Here now 2 is multiplied with the variable. So you need to just, here you have 15 in the left hand side. So you need to just take a minus 15 from both the sides. So you can just add one more step here. 2x plus 15 minus 15 is equal to 21 minus 15. Now what will happen? Plus 15 minus 15 will get cancelled and 2x is equal to 6. That means again now if you divide this equation, 2x upon x is equal to 6 upon 2. So again, this will give you x is equal to 3. So I hope this is clear. Multiplication principle of equality is clear to all. If any doubt in this, you can ask. Okay, so what we have seen here, the term which is having the variable is divided by 3. So you have to separate the variable. You have to isolate the variable with this fractional part. What we need to do here, we have to multiply the entire expression by 3. Okay, when we multiply, each of this term will be multiplied with 3. So you got this answer. 2x plus 15 equals 21, and it will be very easy to solve further. I hope it is clear to all. Can all of you show me a thumbs up? Is it clear or not? All right. So moving ahead. We have a question for you. Solve for r. You have to find the value of r here. And again, you have to apply the multiplication principle of equality. Here you can see the variable is divided by 3.2. So what you need to do here, it's very simple. You can solve it. Just don't look at the answer. Please solve it, all of you, and tell me in the answer in the chat box. All right, I got 2 answers. All right, Pallavi and Diansh, Mantaram, very good. All of you have given the correct answer. Hariram, 16, very good. Very nice, very nice. All right. So these are the things which we have learned in our today's class. First of all, we have learned what is a simple equation, right? Then we have solved some puzzles to make the equation. We have seen how to solve the equation. What are the principles? Multiplication principle, division principle, subtraction and addition principle of equality. All of these things we have covered in our today's demo session. I hope you liked it. So did you like it or not? Can you, all of you, please give me some thumbs up so that I can see that how many of you liked this session, or you can also write in the chat. So, okay. Thank you, Hariram. Okay. Okay, I can see some of you are showing me the thumbs up also. Very good, Diansh. Pallavi is showing also good. Okay, so in the last now, I will ask you again a puzzle, right? Liked it. Okay. Ram Siva, Devashri, all of you liked it. Very good. Thank you, all of you, for your beautiful feedback. Thank you, Naga. Okay, so now please be ready for a puzzle. This is the last puzzle of our today's class, okay? So there is a person, Ram, and he went to a stationery shop. Okay, he has a 200 rupee note actually. Okay, he went to a stationery shop. He has to buy 5 notebooks. Each notebook cost 20 rupees. Okay, each notebook cost 20 rupees. But he has a 200 rupee note with him. How much money the shopkeeper will return to Ram? Again, I'm repeating my question. Ram has a 200 rupee note. He went to a stationery shop and he has to purchase 5 notebooks. Each notebook costs 20 rupees. So the shopkeeper will return him how much rupee? Okay, I'm getting so many answers and all the answers are correct. Very good. Mahant, Mantram, Devashri, Diansh, Ram Siva, Akashini, Akshini, very good. Naga, all of you. Okay, good job. I can see all of you have given the correct answer. How you solved it? Can you just write your equation, what you have made the equation for this puzzle? In the chat box, can you write that equation? Okay, these are the numbers. Okay. By multiply. Okay, good. Good. Hariram, Akshini, Devashri. Very nice. All right. Okay, I got one more answer. Dhyansh. Okay, good job. Yes, 200 minus 20 into 5. Very good, Dhyansh. That was the correct equation. Very good, Mantra. Very good. All of you have given the correct answer. 100 rupees is the correct answer, right? Because we can see that he has only 200 rupee note and each notebook costs 20 rupees. He has to purchase 5 notebooks. Okay. So let us say each notebook has X rupees or 20 rupees. So the total cost of notebook will become 100 and he has a 200 rupee. So if he give 200 rupee to the shopkeeper, he will return 100. How we can make the equation? Let the cost of one notebook is X rupees. So the cost of 5 notebooks will be 5X. Or let's say, sorry, you have to just assume that let the shopkeeper will give him X rupees in return because that was our question. How much money the shopkeeper will return. So let the shopkeeper will return X rupees. Let the shopkeeper will return rupee X. So our equation will be what? 5 into 20 because each notebook costs 20 rupees. 5 into 20 minus X that the shopkeeper will return. So that is total 200 rupees. 5 into X plus 5 into X, 5 into 20 plus X is 200 because that is the total money. So 100 plus X is 200. X is equal to 200 minus 100. That will be 100 rupees. So the shopkeeper will return 100 rupees to round. So I hope you liked our today's session. You all can give me the feedback, how you liked it. Okay. And like this session, our all sessions are going to be very interactive. In our today's session, you have just written in the chat box. In our upcoming session, you will also be able to interact. You can ask your questions. You can share your ideas also, what you are thinking about the concept. So we will interact with each one of you. And the sessions are going to be very interactive, fun learning. I can assure that. So I hope to see you soon in our regular classes, all of you. Thank you so much for joining the class. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Komal ma'am. So how was the session? I want to see it in the chat box quickly. I can see all my kids are pretty active as of now. It was good. I liked it. Very nice. So, Komal ma'am, you can see your feedback in the chat box. The session was great. Very nice. That I understood while you all were attending in a very nice note while sitting straight, right? Very nice. So we are good to see you. Thanks you so much for joining us. So as I already mentioned you that this batch is going to start from next Wednesday. So if you have not enrolled yet, quickly, I'm sharing few links again. So you can enroll for this batch. Okay. So you can click on payment link and you can enroll for this batch. So all right, everyone. Happy weekend. So we are going to see you soon in the next class on Wednesday, right? Bye-bye. Take care till the time. Bye-bye.